Hey, it's Dale Al Roberts, best-selling author as well as self-publishing advocate here on the Self-Publishing with Dale channel. It was just recently announced by YouTube that I am allowed to actually have channel memberships. And you're probably wondering, what are channel memberships and am I obligated to do it? No. Nothing's going to change on the channel for you as a subscriber. So if you want to continue to get the free content, you're more than welcome to do that. I'm not going to take anything away than I normally give to you. But this channel membership is going to be the next level up. And for those of you that are interested, it is a little bit of an investment, and there are 3 different tiers. And actually on the screen right here, you'll see where it has this join button. You're going to select that button. It'll take you through a secure checkout process. And the beauty of it is, as soon as you become a member, it can auto-enroll, and you can always unenroll at any time, and you can finish out the month that you're subscribed within. Now again, I want to reassure anybody that's subscribed to the channel, you are not obligated to become a channel member. It is certainly something that's going to help to put back into this channel so I can continue to give you quality content without pretty much being thrown out on the streets because I'm not paying my bills or anything else like that. So let's talk about the perks, and this includes some members-only access, content, and special features. And we're going to start it out with Tier 1. That's the indie author. Now, I understand indie authors are not necessarily the richest individuals on the face of the earth, so I said, let's find something that's cost-effective and that I would be able to provide you some value that's going to exceed that amount. You're going to get behind the scenes videos. So I'm actually going to start to really go through my back catalog of nearly 800 videos on this old PC of mine and toss up some every now and then. And you're going to be the ones that are going to see this, as well as some unseen footage from back in the old days, almost 4 years ago, when some of the videos were somewhat cringeworthy, but they still had some great content to them. And of course, you get my virtual banana sticker as a member, and this is regardless of the tier level. The longer you stay as a member, the more that your badge starts to level up, because it starts with the green banana, and then you become more ripe and you become the 1-month banana, and then it's so on and so forth until it gets up to a gigantic gold banana sticker. It's 2 bananas on an explosion. It's something that I thought it would be kind of fun, since the banana sticker is a little bit of that community emoji already. Now there's the Tier 2 member, which is the self-publisher. Now this is someone with a little bit more discretionary expenses, twice as much as the Tier 1 level. You get all of the perks from Tier 1, but you also get an exclusive members-only live stream every month. I'm going to do at least 1 live stream for the community members. Now, if I'm feeling froggy, I might do more. It just sometimes it depends on my schedule and of course the demand for it. So if I'm running like a live stream and nobody's kind of checking it out, then chances are likely we'll just stick to the once per month. Now there's Tier 3, which is the savvy self-publisher. If you've gone back to my old videos, you might remember me kind of snarkily saying, you savvy self-publisher. And it was kind of a funny thing that I threw in there, but I eventually ditched it because I didn't want my channel to be a punchline or a comedy channel or anything else like that. So that's why we've got the savvy self-publisher, kind of a callback to that, because the people that are willing to invest at that level obviously have been around me for a while and see the value that I bring to the indie author community. Now, you're going to get all of the previous benefits from Tier 1 and Tier 2, but you're also going to get a shout out and mention on any of my live broadcasts. So the first time members, I'll probably give you a shout out in a live video, and then anybody that continues to support will actually see their name going across the ticker on the very bottom of the live videos. I'm showing it right here. You can see that. That's where it normally goes. And then this is the big one. Normally, whenever I get together something like this, I'm charging higher ticket price, but because you are willing to invest so much into this channel, I want to give back to you, and that's a monthly live mastermind chat. Now, this is for the serious self-publishers. So that means we're not just going to get together and just learn from me. We're going to get together with other people, and we're going to exchange ideas, some concepts, things that are related to your specific book and promotional strategies, and other things like newsletters, swaps, and getting more reviews the legit way, and so on and so forth. That's really what's going to be involved in a monthly mastermind chat. Now you're probably saying, but Dale, how do I access all of this stuff when I become a member? Again, all you have to do is go to my main landing page in the community tab. And if you're already subscribed and you have all of your notifications turned on, then you'll get notified about any time I post inside the community tab. But you're gonna wanna go back there and check from time to time. Actually, I will leave one of the posts that says, this is the very first post. So you don't have to scroll back through the hundreds of community tab posts that have been there before. And you can just pay attention to the members only, because you'll know it's members only. It'll say it on there. That way you're not missing anything. All right, so I am beyond pumped that you've gone this far inside this video. So if you're still considering becoming a member here of the Self-Publishing with Dale channel, I greatly appreciate not only that financial investment, but also your trust that I am going to deliver exactly what you're shooting for. So in the meantime, hey, I will see you on the inside.